Hey there. Want to manage your investments, deposit checks, and trade from anywhere? The Schwab mobile app is a full-featured powerhouse that fits in your pocket. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. Download the Charles Schwab app and log in. The home screen gives you a snapshot of your portfolio, watch lists, and news. To trade, tap the Trade tab, select your account, and enter your order. You can also deposit checks instantly using Mobile Check Deposit under the Transact menu. The app also provides direct access to live support, branch locators, and market research. My crucial pro tip? Enable biometric login and push notifications. Use Face ID or Touch ID for instant, secure access. Turn on notifications for trade executions, deposits, and security alerts to stay on top of your account activity in real time. That's how you turn your smartphone into your most important financial tool. Do you manage your investments primarily from your phone or a computer? Share your preference below. For more app guides that help you stay connected, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.